Placing information in your table is only half the battle. You also need to figure out the best way to format that information so it's accessible and understandable. This quick tip discusses how to format cells so that numbers are aligned well. I ran across a table the other day that contained numbers in a column similar to what you see on the screen. Notice that some of the numbers have decimal points, some have percent signs, and some have parentheses. You might wonder how to align these values so that they are easier to read. Well, the easiest way to handle this is to set a decimal tab. Start by selecting the entire column that you want to align. Then we're going to jump over to the Table Layout tab of the ribbon. What you want to do is pay attention to the column width that's shown here. In this case, you can see that the column width is 1.3 inches. You'll also want to make sure that the column is formatted as left justified. If you don't do this, you won't end up with the results that you want. You can do the proper alignment by displaying the Home tab of the ribbon, and then making sure that the left tool, the Align Left tool, is selected in the paragraph group. Now, on the Home tab of the ribbon, go ahead and click the small icon at the bottom right of the paragraph group. That displays the paragraph dialog box. You don't need to change anything in the dialog box, but you do need to click the Tabs button down at the bottom left corner of the dialog box. In the Tab Stop Position box, you want to enter a value that is a bit less than the column width that you noted earlier. In my example, the column width was 1.3 inches, so I'm going to put in a value such as 0.9 inches, and then I click on the decimal radio button right down here, and I make sure that I have no leader set. Finally, I want to click on the Set button, and that actually sets the tab. When I click on OK, that applies the tab within that text. But notice what happened to the digits in the table. Everything was moved to the right and aligned on either the decimal point or on an inferred decimal position. There was no need to press the Tab key or make any other alignment changes. If you want to move the position of the tab stop, you can do so by clicking the tab stop indicator in the ruler area and dragging it to the left or right, just like this. And notice that everything is moved to align with that decimal tab that we have set within this column. If you don't like how just some of the numbers are aligned, well then all you have to do is place the insertion point in the cell that you want to adjust, and then drag the tab stop indicator left or right, and just that cell will be affected. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.